Right now, the world faces challenges. They demand innovation, accountability, and most importantly, accurate results. InspectIR Systems is a research, development, and device company that's developed proprietary methods and machines to deliver accurate results in real time. As a deadly virus circles the globe and cripples schools, churches, and businesses, InspectIR Systems has created an elegant screening solution, the unparalleled PNY 1000 mobile COVID-19 screening device. With a patented breathalyzer technology to collect samples, the PNY 1000 is completely painless and non-invasive. The algorithmic software analyzes a subject's breath to look for specific chemistry associated with the active viral infection of COVID-19. From sample collection to analysis, detection, and reporting, a process and cycle time of just 3 minutes makes Penny, a self-contained portable unit, the fastest method of screening for COVID-19. We're taking a very different look at COVID screening. Our procedure integrates software automation and analysis to create a process so straightforward that clinical professionals are not required to administer this screen. As the subject to be screened sits comfortably, the administrator presses a large green start button prominently displayed on a convenient and easily sanitized integrated touchscreen. There's a wireless keyboard that also minimizes contact between the administrator and the unit itself. The administrator uses the same keyboard to input the subject's unique identifier. Once the information has been entered, the administrator presses the OK button and the system is ready to accept exhaled breath. The subject or administrator can unwrap and insert a single-use sanitary straw that will be used to provide a 1/4 liter of exhaled air, about the same amount of breath that it takes to inflate a small balloon. Generally, subjects need about 10 seconds to provide a viable sample. Once the breath sample has been collected, the analysis and highly accurate measurement processes begin. InspectIR's screening regimen is the only methodology that does not create cross-reactivity, which leads to pre-analytical error. There are no biological materials stored in the device. The chemistry from the captured breath is rapidly heated and ionized, both of which are destructive processes that leave the device clean and calibrated for the next test subject. At the conclusion of the entire screening event, which requires about 3 minutes from start to finish, the onboard software processes the scientific data produced by the sample, which is measured down to a granular 500 parts per trillion. Made in America, InspectIR is the first company to produce a commercially available miniature mass spectrometer to analyze breath samples directly. Clinical trials performed in accordance with FDA guidelines have demonstrated clinical specificity of 94.9% and sensitivity of 95.5% when correlated with polymerase chain reaction, better known as PCR. Upon completion, the PNY 1000 mobile COVID-19 screening device displays an immediate result on the integrated screen. A large green square on the built-in information screen indicates the subject has tested negative for the virus. Had the subject been positive, a red square would have appeared. An emergency use authorization has been filed with the Food and Drug Administration. Immediately after the expected positive review has been completed, InspectIR Systems plans to manufacture and distribute these game-changing measurement devices to its clients. For more information about the PNY 1000, please contact InspectIR Systems at 469-206-4555.